we are installed. Waiting for Mom to get home so we can get the shock and awe factor.
Shock and awe.
Yes, love the shock and awe. We're getting the kitchen cleaned up. We're waiting for the rest of the flooring to come in. Move on from there. Check it off the list.
Ran out of money. I had to come home.
You're back! Hi.
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 Oh!
We gotta clear the evidence. We spent like 15 minutes clearing the evidence. Oh, hi, Mom.
Is that good? Oh my god, is that bad? Oh my god.
I love it.
Are you kidding me? I got your surprise and everything on 2 cameras.
Actually,
Well, on my phone, and there's a GoPro right there, and there's a camera right here. Hey, it was worth every damn second.
Out in the truck.
Whew. All right, that'll get whitewashed later. Well, gray wash, because that's gonna match the walls. We got over here, and bathroom is mostly done.
Just don't show the bathroom closet and shower. They're a mess yet. Still gotta clean the windows.
Looks pretty darn good. We still gotta do some touch-up and whatnot, but
Yep.
yeah, definitely gotta work on our tool storage. But another day down. Back at D-Mums for another fun day. Let's see, we had turbo out. We got the rest of the wall going. Hello, Makita. Hello, my buddy. Hi. Hi. Alright. I'm gonna zen and hope the dogs didn't destroy any of the work that we did. Cooper's a chewer. Just hoping he didn't chew the wood. Alright, let's see how bad it is. Back. Alright. Save. Save. Ah! Thank you, thank you, thank you, Cooper. Cabinets come today. I guess they did tear up the, yeah. They did tear up the paper protecting the floor. But we kind of expected that. I didn't really record any of the work that Papa did.
I got my
or me to help hang it, but he did all the work building
Here,
it.
this is the content they want to see.
That's
I'll check, guys.
that's a really cool door. Can you close it, Mom?
Trying to get there.
Haley, back up.
Die.
There it is.
Ta-da!
And that's going to be stained darker wood.
Dark wood.
Okay, so it's going to be like a walnut-ish.
American.
Early American, it's called.
American.
So dark brown.
Yeah.
Okay. That'd be cool. So, a little update on that. We got the rails up for this one. Papa's building the other door tomorrow. There it goes. So while Dad's outside, stupid air compressor. Dad's outside cutting the trim boards, and got these. We're gonna go ahead and throw this next door together. He did all the hard work. I just get to come in, nail it, and look like I know what I'm doing. Let's send it. Are you ready?
Better table.
That one don't clear, but that one does. What is it with these? So that's both of them on the right side. They don't clear, but on the left they do. How? Like, how?
I'm just gonna cut all these sticks off.
Yeah, you gotta cut off our leveling sticks. But that's the island base. All in place. Alright. The worst part is gonna be getting the stone top on top of this bastard.
Looks like we're gonna have to quarter round it.
Yeah. Oh. Old farm home.
The back panel.
It's a little bit crooked.
The back panel
Yeah.
will cover.
Yeah, we just got a quarter around the bottom. Alright, and since they haven't been in for a while, got the the pantry, and boy, that was a pain in the butt. Oh, and I don't think they saw any of this before we put in that Renovation spice rack. I don't think they've seen any of your custom coffee bar here. This was all hand done by Papa himself. It's gonna have a little sink, it's gonna have the coffee pot and everything here. Electric on the side. We'll have reverse osmosis underneath. It'll be pretty cool. With the little barn doors. True oak countertop, which Papa got.
Go lay down.
Yeah. It's gonna be cool.
Start.
Yeah, go lay down.
I got my paint.
Alright,
I have one last thing. to
next
paint.
step, we're gonna put
That has to
the
dry.
spice rack
It's not going anywhere.
into this center section, because one thing she always wanted was a spice rack, so that means we gotta do it.
I don't like them spots.
I heard, come look at the door.
No, I painted this on them, and when I did, it took the finish off. I don't know if I can get them to restain.
Oh, no. That looks pretty darn good.
It's glue. It's gotta be glue.
That's gonna be real nice.
The good part is, Dave, this is on the inside.
Yep. She's kind of got it going. That looks awesome. Can't wait to see the other side.
I wonder if you hit that with the Craftsman.
I'm not sanding right now.
It'll be all right. Just let her glaze over it, and it'll be fine. It's on the inside anyway, and that's, you'll never see that.
It's on the inside.
Yeah, and
we're
it's
not gonna
also
see
where
it.
when it's, yeah, you'll never see it. It'll
When
be fine.
it's closed, it'll
Relax.
be by the fridge.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
So we're okay.
That looks awesome. And we're back in here. I better turn off this music so that we don't get anything.
Let's go over what I bought.
We're gonna work on that. And door is stained.
Wait a minute, I gotta call you.
That looks gorgeous.
It's coming out to help bring it into the
It's okay, I got it. We got the reverse osmosis system in. Drain. So, now we got running water at the coffee bar. Put the coffee pot over here. A couple shelves out. That's tomorrow. Yeah, it definitely looks sweet. Hi, Doodle. She got her sander now. She got to sand the paint off these and off these because I got some extra pieces and we're using all the scrap. Oh, toss this over there. We're using all the scrap to build custom doggy doors. So that way, and right here and going into the living room, we'll have custom built barn door doggy doors. The little custom touches.
I can't wait to get the dogs.
Mom's in Cooper's chair. All right. We are giving you an update on the kitchen since we've been doing a lot of work and not a lot of filming. I got all the lower cabinets in. Farmhouse sink is in.
Yeah, check out the inside. That's what's really cool.
Oh, after I put all the chemicals under there?
No, the inside is.
Oh, with your racks and stuff. Yep. So, countertop is going to get custom cut. We're going to reuse quartz that she had before. We have it out in the garage. We're going to get it cut. We got this half of the island done. And come over here. This Papa Walks.
Here, I'll do
We got it
preview.
mostly put back together.
Barstools do
This-
not
Jump on that.
This needs the back panel, which we have. We just haven't finished yet. And this is the other door that gets put back together. New doggy doors, custom built by Papa himself. So that holds the doggies in. And this is the coffee bar. Barn doors, we got reverse osmosis up inside. We kind of hit it. And all set up and ready to go. These are the corbels for underneath there when we're done. And go from there. Not too bad of a change for a month.
A month?
1 month of work?
Well,
About?
I mean, if we sit here and say it's been since July 16th.
Well, that's when the whole
18.
craziness started. But when did we start?
Turn it off.
When did we start?
Turn it off.
Give me puppers. When did we start?
Please do it. July 18th when the shit happened.
And there's the custom wall. We still have to hang the medicine cabinet, and we got a dry sink that's getting refinished to go here. We bought the corbels for up there,
Nice hair.
and getting down to slim pickings. I like it.
Oh, there's plenty to do yet.
Oh, you know it.
I want to dip Nutter Butter in peanut in like chocolate and have
Have fun.
Nutter Butter chocolate. I want chocolate.
Oh, and these are custom oak shelves that Papa made.
Oh yeah, I'll build the shelf bracket.
Yep, Haley helped build these brackets and the big brackets.
I'll
And a
take that for
craftsman.
Christmas.
And these are
Chocolate covered strawberries.
custom built oak cabinet or shelves also. Yeah.
I like spinning it.
You're goofy. Oh,
I'll know
and
it.
Papa's gift to Mom for her new kitchen was slot clock. Pretty cool.
Now we gotta come up with a key holder
Uh huh.
that matches the kitchen.
Uh huh.
I'm thinking slat wood.
What's a key holder?
Something you put.
Or key holder.
Something to hold keys.
I knew that.
All right. Well, for now, until we get countertop and stuff cut, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And we'll see you on the flip side. I can't wait to get back to the garage.
Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away.